Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore rolling shutter effects using After Effects Warp Stabilization, full guide step by step clearly. To restore rolling shutter effects using After Effects Warp Stabilization, start by opening After Effects and creating a new project. Import the footage you want to stabilize by dragging it into the project panel. Create a new composition by selecting your footage and clicking on New Composition. Once your composition is open, select the footage layer in the timeline. Navigate to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Warp Stabilizer. Drag the Warp Stabilizer effect onto your footage layer. After applying the effect, allow After Effects to analyze your clip. Monitor the analysis progress in the Effect Control panel. Once the analysis is complete, check the default stabilization settings. If your original footage has a noticeable rolling shutter effect, adjust the settings. In the Warp Stabilizer settings, change the stabilization option to Subspace Warp. This will provide more detailed stabilization that addresses rolling shutter issues. If you still see distortion, consider using the Crop Less option. This will help preserve more of the original frame while reducing artifacts. Adjust the smoothness percentage to balance between stabilization and distortion. Watch the clip playback to assess the changes made to the footage. If necessary, tweak the settings further until you achieve the desired look. Once satisfied, render your composition by going to File and selecting Export. Choose Add to Render Queue and adjust your output settings as needed. Click the Render button to export your stabilized video. Review the final output to ensure the rolling shutter effects have been adequately restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.